Don't let the opening clip fool you or the thumbnail. I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee, although it definitely looks like I am now. But I am not. In fact, this is just a quick sample of the latest tool haul of some upgrades I have made within the last couple of weeks. And that's what this video is going to be about today. So let's get into it. What I want to talk about is from Milwaukee. As you can see, it is their M12 Rocket dual power tower light. And you might be looking at it like, how's it a tower light? Very simple. You just pull up on the head and this thing just cranks up, locks into place, and it becomes a power tower. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. This thing runs off their M12 line. It is 1400 lumens, and it is going to make working in this garage late at night way better because all we have is this bright light really right now. And anytime I'm going to be in the basement working on the bathroom, which doesn't have a light right now, it's going to be helpful to work in. So this was a much needed upgrade. I got this from Home Depot as a part of a sale that they were having. So this light was actually for free, and I'll show you the reason why it was for free. The reason why I was able to get that the power tower light for free is because of what I bought that is here in this bag. And what that is just two M12 batteries. They're red lithium 4XC4. Boom, these bad boys right here. It was a 2-pack of batteries with the charging station and this bag. I believe it was $179 for all of this. And then you got to choose from a variety of tools, and you got that tool for free. And I chose the Rocket Tower so I could actually see, which is obviously the best asset to have when you're working on a build. So that is what these two this purchase was. And I'm gonna put this up today, August 25th. The deal should be still going on. So if you're, in the market for a new light or maybe some new batteries, I highly recommend you do this, and you can check out the other tool options they have to offer too. And then we're going to discuss the other thing I included in that purchase, which is a 60-tooth ultrafine blade for my circular saw. This is my normal cordless circular saw from Makita, but obviously in all my other videos you have seen me use my Craftsman, which is actually my dad's. So now that I'm going to upgrade the blade to a fine cut when I rip my plywood, I'm going to be using this. And so that was my other upgrade that I did this week, and it was very much needed, and I'm excited to use this for my next project. Next significant upgrade I made in my shop is this 5-gallon bucket. I'm just kidding. What we did is we got ourselves a dust separator. Just something I found off Amazon for about 45 bucks. It's by Delmar. As you can see, this hose then runs to, whatever tool you are using. The cyclone works up here to collect all the dust, or to separate all the dust, and then this shoots out into my actual shop vac. And I had to buy an adapter because this hose, it doesn't actually line up to this one. That was a little dumb mistake on my part. However, that adapter works perfectly fine, so nothing too insane to worry about. But yeah, so I've seen people make videos on how to do this yourself, but it was just much more efficient for my time to just kind of buy one and then just get these things. And it is a great way. It's gonna save my shop vac's filter, and it's gonna make dust management a lot better. So I'm really excited for that. Definitely long overdue needed upgrade, but that is that one, and we'll play the clip of this bad boy in action. And as you can see, all the sawdust just collects in that bucket. Obviously, I wasn't very smooth with the demonstration. However, you get the general idea. I've been using this for about a week now, and it's been an awesome game changer. Next upgrade we did, which wasn't in the thumbnail, so surprise, is a vise. This is a benchtop vise, obviously. Old school from Rigid. See what I did there? Anyways, this is my dad's vise. I actually needed this in the dining room table I needed when I ran into that problem with the legs. Make sure you go watch that video. Nobody watched the video, so I'm a little hurt, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll put the eye right there. You can go watch the video for me. But yeah, so this will be crazy useful when I, obviously make more and more projects that use the piping, and in case I ever get anything stuck, I can get it unstuck like that. So really good upgrade, kind of a basic necessity. I bought this toolkit first before I bought the batteries. So obviously these are an M12, so that's why I made sure to go get more M12 batteries. But this right here is the M12 Fuel 3/8 installation drill driver kit. It comes with one battery charger. I bought the kit that comes with 2 batteries, but again, they had a variety of options you could choose from in terms of what other tools you want. Main purpose that you see this driver used for, if we can get it out, is for drawer installation and hardware installation. So anytime you get tight fit for, you know, trying to put in drawer hardware, or maybe you're trying to jig something in place that is a very small area, you know, I've encountered that a lot of times. So this is a much smaller option, very sleek in design, and it'll be easier to fit into all those tight spaces. And what's really cool about this is that it comes with 4 different head attachments. This one here is the impact driver attachment. We then have a 1/4 inch hex angle attachment. We have a right angle attachment, and then we have our normal drill attachment. So this was a $229 kit. Again, I'm not saying this to like try to flex. I'm just trying to be honest and upfront. These are the kind of prices you're gonna have to deal with when you're making these type of investments into, you know, your own business or just for a hobby of yours. But that was this, you know, that was the price of this investment. Again, it was kind of a steep thing, but it's gonna make my life way easier in the future, make my projects more efficient, which is a great investment. Last but not least, we have our 50-inch K-body Revo Vise clamps. These were about 50 bucks a piece. I got these actually for the glue up in the industrial table. Again, hit the I button, check out the video. So these really helped with the glue up. I originally was using ratchet straps in the video. I still use those, but then I really made sure I cranked it out with the Vise clamps, and they made my life so much easier. And again, it was a big investment. However, it was well worth it and really made the process a lot easier. All right, guys, and that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications. You guys know the drill, you know the jargon, and I kind of hope you get an idea of the type of cost that goes into investing in woodworking. And yeah, just want to give you guys an update on the shop, because, you know, if you see me using it in a video and I never explained it, kind of want to just go ahead and explain it to you guys now in its own video, so that all the chips are on the table, if you will. But yeah, thank you guys again so much. Don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number 1. God bless.